do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay, hey, yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm cash.
Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today is actually day 4 of tx2k. Day 3 got rained out, so I didn't post a video, didn't really record nothing because it was just pouring down rain. Today, we got to make a pass here in about an hour or so, and we're putting the correct push rods in there because we didn't have the correct ones. They finally just came in. Throw them in there. Car should be making a little bit more power. Let's see if we can go mid-8s, baby. All right, guys, so it's about to be I think they just called streetcar, guys, so I'll catch you at the staging lanes. All right, guys, we're in the staging lanes, and I got my helmet on, so y'all probably can't hear me, and there's really loud cars around me, but we're in the staging lanes. We're about to make a pass.
Picking up over the 879 he had previously qualified with. At 157, picking up over the 879 he had previously qualified with.
Alright, guys, so we're going to look at the bracket right now. See what happens.
See how much we need to turn it up.
Yeah. Might have to turn it up to all of it. So let's see. Let's see what we got. Also, I didn't make a video after the pass. That pass was killer. It pulled crazy. I had to pull the chute. I didn't really have to, but I pulled it because why not?
I think every single one of us hollered.
Oh, I mean, yeah, it was a PB. It's the fastest the car's ever gone. Freaking my little rocket ship.
This roll race?
I don't know. I'm freezing. Well, anyway, guys, they called it a night, and yeah, we did a new PB. The track is soaking wet though, so we'll have to be here tomorrow, first thing in the morning. Get the car prepped. Probably turn it up a little bit. And yeah, try to break a record again and stay in front of the person next to me. Anyway, guys, like always, have a nice day, and catch you on the next one.